How to fix thumbnail not showing in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix thumbnail not showing in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is open up the folder where your thumbnail is not showing and only the image icon is showing. Now, for some people, you can directly head over to properties for this very folder, and under advanced you'll find an option that says show thumbnail instead of icon. I don't have that settings in mind, but you can check it in yours, and after you enable that, you can tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, your problem should get fixed. But if that is not the case for you, simply search for show advanced. So simply search for show advanced settings. My bad, let me just do that again. So simply search for advanced. As you can see right here, you will see view advanced system settings. My bad, it's not show. Tap on view advanced settings, and after you're here, you will see the performance section. Head over to the settings for performance, and right under here, you should find an option that says show thumbnail instead of icon. So simply turn this on, make sure that you've checked this, and even if it is checked and your thumbnail is not showing, just turn it off and then turn it back on, and then tap on apply and then tap on OK, and with that your problem should get fixed. And that is how you fix your thumbnail not showing issue in your Windows device, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.